Hey there, it's McKenna from Unleashing Personal Potential. I wanted to take the opportunity to let you know what we do at UP. Essentially, most of our work is face-to-face with students. In 2019, we'll have the opportunity to work with more than 38,000 Australian students working right across the country through our awesome team of people who engage students and make these ideas that you read about in my books nice and practical and digestible for students in an interactive way, so it's fun for the students. This is the sort of work we do in schools. If that's of interest to you, reach out to us and let us know. There may be an opportunity for us to work with you. We also run teacher professional development and have online lesson plans that have been developed to save people in schools lots of time, so you don't need to build your whole pastoral care and wellbeing curriculum from scratch. So we've built some stuff that might be helpful to you. We've also got a heap of free downloads and a heap of great stuff on our website. But just want to say thanks for joining our community. If we can be of any assistance to you, please reach out anytime.